Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Semrush for YouTube. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Let me tell you that Semrush can be a valuable tool for optimizing your YouTube channel by helping you with keyword research, competitor analysis, and tracking performance. While at it, if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button to get notifications in our latest content. Now, you see, one of the best way for you to utilize and leverage the Semrush platform is conducting a keyword research for your YouTube channel. How do we do it? I want you to hover to the left side panel of the dashboard and use the keyword magic tool. That's going to be under keyword research. Click the keyword magic tool. Now we have a separate video on how to use and utilize the keyword magic tool in its full potential. You might want to check that in our channel. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little bit of that. You just have to enter the keyword here in this search bar. For example, your niche is about a video topic regarding about fitness tips, or maybe you're into real estate, or maybe you're into sports or gaming. Enter the keyword. You see, there's loans, movies, and how to buy Audible books. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in how-to videos because that's our niche, right? How-to videos. Now, you see, you can enter a domain for personalized data if you wanted. For example, you might want to type in dflaps.com or maybe vimeo.com if you want. You can also put the targeted location if you want. For example, if you don't want to use the United States, you want to use United Kingdom instead, you can do that as well. But for now, we're going to leave it as it is, all the default options. Click on search. Now, once the search has been generated, you see you have all of these options for you. Now, once you find that there is like different sections here for you to check, we have a separate video on how to check all of them. All right, we're not going to deal with that. But the most important thing is just filter all the questions right here and focus on the long tail keywords and phrases commonly searched on YouTube. You see, these are going to be the long tail keywords, and we have a separate video on how to use long tail keywords for your SEO efforts. Please check that on our channel because it's really helpful. But the idea is you have to copy all of these common phrases searched on YouTube, right? All of these, all right? And check the keyword difficulty if they fall into difficult or easy or doable. Now, if you click the export button, you would be able to export all of these topics to a Microsoft Excel sheet or a Google sheet or document so that you guys can work on it and plan a strategy to increase the effectiveness and reach of your YouTube channel. All right. So again, I suggest you watch the keyword magic tool in one of our DPLAPS YouTube topics. The next thing that you need to do is to analyze the competitors' YouTube channels. So let's head over. We wanted to analyze Mr. Beast as our competitor. All right. From here, you have all of these videos that I wanted to check. We can track the traffic analytics, backlink analytics, and the social media tracker. How do we do that? Just go again to the Semrush. And on the on-page and tech SEO, go to the site audit, click on it, and you can type and enter the domain of your competitor or the YouTube channel of that. And that's going to be Mr. Beast. And click on the start audit, and that would give you some of the traffic analytics to check the traffic resources or sources to see how much of their traffic comes from YouTube. All right. You all can also use the backlink analytics here and discover the competitors' YouTube videos to identify the promotional opportunities. Enter a domain, for example, YouTube. We're going to type in Mr. Beast. If you can search for it here. Click the analyze. All right. Wait for it. Now, It'll take a little while. On the overview, you can also see the authority score is 100. That means Mr. Beast is an industry leader. Link power, organic traffic, superb. Natural profile. It's really hard to beat Mr. Beast at this point. But of course, if you want to optimize our YouTube channel and pattern some of the effective strategy that Mr. Beast is using, we might want to go to the referring domains, backlinks, monthly visits is 72.8 billion views or visits. Organic traffic is 9 billion. Outbound to message 1. Overall toxicity score is just here. You can also go for the network graph, backlinks, anchors, and referring domains. Again, if you want to know more all of these, check our backlink analytics and backlink audit in our YouTube channel, because I'm not going to dive deep into that, but I'm just showing you what you can do to outperform Mr. Beast using Semrush for your YouTube channel. All right. Now, after doing so, I want you to hover to the social media section, go to the social tracker, wherein you can monitor your competitors' activity on YouTube and track their engagement metrics. How? Click the Start Free Trial and type in Mr. Beast. You can drive engagement, create and share engaging content on your social profiles, amplify your success, and minimize stress and maximize your social media impact, which is going to be your YouTube channel. All right. Now, after knowing all the effective strategy from Mr. Beast using the social tracker, I want you now to hover to the SEO, go to the keyword strategy builder. Because you need to plan content with the topic that you have researched. All right. Just enter the keywords that you wanted. For example, YouTube and gaming. YouTube how-tos videos. All right. And then hover down below. You see, before we can build a better strategy, we're going to choose a topic, and that's going to be YouTube how-tos to increase our YouTube channel's reach and performance. We just have to enter that seed keywords, and these are the seed keywords right here, 3 of them. And then after that, we can create a content. You can create a page on your website for each pillar and sub-page to start bringing traffic to your site, which is your YouTube channel. And of course, you can, when creating a plan, you might want to use the outreach efforts, create a blog post and whatnot to increase the video monitor. All right. You can always hover back again to the social media efforts. You have all these tools for you: social tracker, content insights, social analytics, and social content AI, where it's a new feature. If you want to dive deep into this, right, you can redefine your social media presence with your YouTube using Semrush. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.